Play in the sunlight. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do a science experiment, volcano eruption. So to do that, we need white vinegar, we need dish soap, we need food color, we need baking soda, we need a spoon, we need a glass, and we need a plate. So let's get started. Okay, let me put some baking soda. Yeah, oh man. No more. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Now let me put the food color. Okay, I put some color. Now I'm going to mix, to agitate. Let's go. Okay, now let's add some dish soap. This is going to be very hard. Okay. Now let's mix it up again. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I think this is enough stirring. Wait a little bit more. Okay, I finished mixing. Now let's do the volcano eruption. But before that, let's put the glass on the plate so that when the eruption falls, it doesn't fall on the table. Okay, now it's time for the vinegar. Okay, let's do it. Oh, whoa, that's very cool. Man, oh my God. Oh wait. Oh my gosh, this looks so funny. Oh, it's finished. It's finishing. La 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 la. Oh, and move. It looks pink. It looks like looks pink for me. Let's do the volcano eruption again. Hooray. Oh my God. So that's how to make a volcano eruption. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Play in the sunlight.